More breaking news coming in. Hindu group stages a protest in Mysuru against temple demolition in the district. Hindu group claims centuries-old temple demolished without proper notice, while officials claim that the temple is not on the ASI map and was just 12 years old. That's the latest. Hindu groups up in arms over demolition of a temple. It's, a group, they've staged protest in Mysuru against the demolition in the district, claiming centuries-old temple has been demolished without proper notice. Officials, however, claim the temple is not on the ASI map and was just 12 years old. Now, after the demolition of a temple was deemed illegal by the Karnataka district officials, it's given a rise to a political storm in the state. Opposition has cornered the ruling BJP government for hurting Hindu sentiments. Here's a news report.
Nanjangud, a town in Mysuru, is in the eye of a political storm over demolition of a temple deemed illegal by authorities. Days after the demolition drive on the orders of the Supreme Court, this is what remains at the spot. A rubble, broken idols and hero stones with inscriptions. A temporary temple built with aluminium and plastic sheets has already come up. The local residents are upset with the manner in which the authorities went about the demolition.
Suddenly that government came with police force. They came at night. We can't expect that someone will come like that. All are sleeping at night to 2:30. They arrived here, started demolishing. You hold the police feet. Even though they are not ready to accept, they said you can't come like this. Stand there. If you come here, you will start lathi charge.
The villagers claim the temple is not just 12 years old, as the administration claims, but dates back centuries.
ಆ ಚೋಳರ ಕಾಲದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಮಹಾದೇವಮ್ಮ ಭೈರವೇಶ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಏನು ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ 800 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಪೂರ್ವಜರು ಏನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು 7-8 ತಲೆಮಾರುಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೋ.
The Congress, the principal opposition party in the state, has questioned the entire exercise.
Early in the morning, 4 o'clock, they come and demolish this temple. But government have taken a decision. We condemn the decision.
Mysuru district officials claim they merely followed the orders sent for demolishing illegal religious structures across the state. They also said that the temple was not on Archaeological Survey of India maps. The political slugfest has forced the BJP government to promise a relook at its demolition drive, which has been halted for now.
Now, while the Congress has decided to play the soft Hindutva card in this temple demolition case, the BJP is clearly on a back foot, with Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai now ordering a halt to any further temple demolition drive until the government can once more study the Supreme Court order in detail. With video journalist Shivamurthy Gurmat, Nolan Pinto for India Today.